16-14. Once again, a reminder, this Tuesday at 1 p.m. Perpetual taking on Adamson. Huling laban na natin sa ating elimination round. We move on to the quarter-final round after this. And here is Bembo. Naabangan that time ni Berbano. Bembo tries to get it off the hands ni Berbano. Hindi umandar. Ikwento mo nga, Ivy, yung ating quarter-final round, yung kwento doon na kung paano yung magiging matchups. It's gonna be a very short round.
It is going to be a very short round and medyo complicated din siya, Noel. But we all know that we have two groups right now here at the eliminations and we're only looking for the top four from each. So, ang mangyayari dyan, like we've mentioned, is we're playing for the rankings is because whoever ranks 1 and 3 in both of these groups, magsasama sa isang grupo yan. So, rank 1 and rank 3 in Group A will join the rank 1 and rank 3 of Group B and they will form the new group dito sa next round natin. Okay. Similarly, ang 2 and 4, whoever's rank 2 and 4 in each of the groups will be combined in one group for the next round.
Right.
Now, ang labanan, Noel, will be short, like you mentioned, because technically the teams will be playing only 2 games. If we count it. Yung hindi lang nila nakalaban dun sa bagong grouping na yon.
Right. So again, every game counts dito sa Shakey's V-League. That's why these teams are really going all out. Desanganyo. Here's Lara, who's in for the first time. That's Maridet Lara. Soltones. Dinig na dinig mo yung lakas ng palo niya. Block. Eto si Bowley, hindi na kailangan marinig, malakas talaga ang palo niya.
Parang nagtumitira ng kanyon tong San Sebastian sa lakas ng mga palo eh.
And look at this, it is now San Sebastian up by 5, 19-14. Timeout naman si Darwin Campana. Alright, yung ating last play as we see. Hindi na naabutan yun ni Monique Chanco. Pero makita mo yung timeout ni Darwin Campana. Tatawag lang ng timeout, ayusin nyo yan amongst yourselves. And sometimes that does work for some coaches. 19-14. Yumi Yonko, Desanganyo, Lara, Crisostomo, Soltones. Blocked there by Yari Yonko.
And no coverage for San Sebastian.
So 19-15 right now. Yari Yonko back to serve para sa Lasal Dasmariñas. Crisostomo, back set, running attack, Sue Roses, nalusot na naman. So kahit na na-check na kanina, subukan pa rin ng San Sebastian yan. 3-1. Villegas back in front as Roses serves. Yonko, Desanganyo, Maridet Lara, Crisostomo, boldly from behind the line this time.
And it goes off the block. Manzano now with a drop shot.
Nicely done.
Naputan ni Soltones. She actually saw it already.
But again, the beach volleyball smarts of Jen Manzano as Cherry Rose Luna goes back in front. Manzano now serving. Here's Crisostomo, to whom it may concern.
So error on the set there from Crisostomo.
Tatlo ang abante rito na San Sebastian Lady Stags. Jen Manzano once again. Nice serve this time. Crisostomo. Berbano on the tip.
And there was no touch.
Kanina pa sinusubukan ni Sarina.
She was actually trying to aim for the touch sa hands ng blocker but has not been successful.
Timeout San Sebastian.
Pass mo lang. Layo-layo, may 4 naman yung pinigil na. Sobra naman yung check. Hindi na kita. Dalawa pa lamang natin. 5 na lang, tatapusin na natin. Receive lang na maayos. Kausapin mo maigi yung mga spiker mo para anong play nito ngayon? Patungin mo yung isa.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, taking a break from the action, let's talk about greatness once again. This is the big difference. The autobiography of Carlos Kaloy Loizaga, which is available right now sa San Beda College, illustrating yung buhay ng one of the greatest basketball players in the history of the Philippines. Malamang di mo na naabutan to.
Hindi na eh. But the name has
Of course.
stuck around. So para kahit hindi ko napanood ang mga laro, talaga one of the names that we can hear in Philippine basketball history.
Right, Kaloy Saga's autobiography, the big difference, or biography rather, the big difference is available in San Beda College as Lara scores and trims this to a 1-point lead. Manzano, patuloy ang kanyang reign as the service queen.
Patayo mo lang yung mga blocker, mga spiker mo.
Here's Jen.
Defense sa ilalim.
Sue. Trisha. Villegas on the attack. Nice dig there from Chanco. Yonko, free ball. Another chance here for San Sebastian. Soltones. Crisostomo. Berbano off the block. Chanco on the coverage. Quick set to Nunag.
Nunag, but the net violation error, kitang-kita.
Si Nunag nung lumundag, nadali niya yung net.
She actually knew already, no? Pagtayo pa lang niya, pagtalon pa lang niya, alam na niya kagad na may error.
The 20-year-old from Pampanga with the error. Soltones, Chanco, Yonko, Nunag, gustong bawiin. Crisostomo, here's Boli, and that is blocked by Nunag.
Solid by Nunag, making up for the net violation error in the previous play.
21-20. Lipat sa service area. Itong, as we take a look at that last play, lipat na service area. Ito si Maridet Lara. Targeting who?
Service good.
For Crisostomo. Bowling!
Bumawi.
Lara was at the wrong spot. 22-20. San Sebastian wanting to push this to a fourth set. Berbano serving. Nice serve by Berbano. Desengaño. Chanco off the hands of Crisostomo. Oh!
No touch according to the referee.
That is
Malinis
subject
daw.
for review. Mukhang nagbago direksyon ng bola eh. 23-20. San Sebastian up by 3.
Service good once again. They go to Nunag.
And Nunag scores again. So 23-21. Desengaño now. Been doing a lot of great things